Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to delete theme in WordPress in 2023. Why would you want to know how to delete theme in WordPress in 2023? Well, maybe it is your first time using WordPress and not sure how to delete your website theme in WordPress in 2023. So today I am going to show you how to delete theme in WordPress in 2023. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Deleting theme in WordPress is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for all devices. Let me show how you will delete theme in WordPress. First of all, open WordPress in your Chrome browser, and now here is my WordPress home screen. And then move your mouse cursor to appearance in the left menu and then click on themes. Now in this screen here are my installed themes and I want to delete this theme. So first click on it and then click on delete in the lower right corner. So there you go. If you were wondering how to delete theme in WordPress in 2023, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.